Next is ascending and descending order of numbers. What is ascending order? In 4th standard, we studied about ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Ascending order is smallest to biggest. We arrange the number in numbers from smallest to biggest. Arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest is ascending order. It is smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest is the ascending order. For example, this write the following numbers in ascending order. The numbers are 457, 682, 231, 142, 343. Then ascending order means from the numbers arranging from smallest to biggest. Here, which is the smallest number? Which is the smallest number? Yes, 142 is the smallest number. Next, yes, 231. Next, 343. Next, 457 and 682. Therefore, ascending order of a numbers is the numbers arranging from smallest to biggest is called ascending order. Next is descending order. What is descending order? Just opposite to ascending order. Descending order. Descending order means the numbers are arranged from biggest to smallest. Descending means biggest to smallest. Biggest to smallest. The numbers are arranged from biggest to smallest is called descending order. For example, I will give you some numbers. 643, 247, 945, 1025, 682. Okay, here which is the bigger? How to arrange this in as descending order? Descending order means biggest to smallest. Here which is the biggest number? Yes, 1025 is the biggest number. Therefore, first we write 1025. Next number is, yes, 945. 945. Next is 643 or 682? Which one is the biggest? Yes, 682 is the biggest number. 682. Next 643 and next 247. Okay. So ascending order is the numbers are arranged from smallest to biggest is ascending order, and descending order is biggest to smallest. Okay. Next is formation of greatest and smallest numbers. Formation of greatest and smallest numbers. Formation of greatest and smallest formation of greatest and smallest numbers. Then how to form a greatest number using given digits? I will give you some digit. Using that digit, you find a greatest number. Therefore, the digits are 6, 8, 9, 2, 0, 1. Then using these digits, you want to find a greatest number. digit, we want to find the greatest number. Then how to find this? For that, we arrange these digits in descending order. We arrange these digits in descending order. Descending order means biggest to smallest. We arrange these digits in descending order. Descending order means biggest to smallest. Here which one is the biggest digits? Yes, 9 is the biggest digit. Then next is 8. Next is 6. Next 2, 1, 0. Therefore, this is the greatest number using these digits. Okay. Next, how to find the smallest numbers using these digits? This is the greatest number. This is the greatest number. Then, how to find greatest number? Digits are arranged in descending order. Digits are arranged in descending order. In smallest number, how to find this smallest number? Just opposite. Digits are arranged in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Here, which is the smallest number in this digit? 0. Is 0, 1, 2. Is this possible? Is this a number? No. So, 0 in this, including 0, we put 0 is a second digit. Next, smallest digit is 1. Therefore, first we write 1, then write 0. Next, smallest number is 2. Next, 6. Next, 8 and 9. This is the smallest number. Okay. Therefore, formation of greatest number is the digits are arranged in descending order. Formation of smallest number, the digits are arranged in ascending order. Okay, I will give you some homework. The following in ascending order. First one, arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order. Six 1,627, 1,257, 6,270, 1,547, 2,830. Arrange this in ascending order. Next, second question. Arrange the following in descending order. Let's equal to, for that, 2,827, 2,792, 3,827, 4,270, 1,257. Arrange these numbers in descending order. Then write the successor and predecessor. Third one, write the successor and predecessor of the following number. Of the following numbers. First one, 23,843. Second one, 34,624. Next, fourth question. Write the greatest and smallest numbers using the digits